Hi everyone. This is Francisco, and you know the question I want to ask everyone is: have all of you been so so brainwashed that all of you believe that this is real, or is this a video? Because in first thought, we all know this is a video. But in second thought, could it be that some of you have become expert liars that you don't understand the differences from reality and artificial? And how would any of you ever understand the differences? It's like, what time zone are we in? Are we in a presumed time zone that others would wish that we are in, or are like we are we entirely out of that? Like, is our mental thought at the moment derived from something that is artificial or of human intelligence or of God himself? That's something you have to ask yourself. And if someone else is asking that question for you, then you need to question it. In which way, which form, that's irrelevant at the moment. So you need to um, come up with a conclusion so that we can make progress and move forward with our research and development, because no one has any time for any of these games that most of you thought were or was a game. Yeah, I literally can I can literally put my case to rest, and I feel great about it because these people, like I stated earlier, they fuck with me for way too long. And they thought they could take advantage of me. But no, no. Like I said, it's okay. It is Monday, November 12th, 21. It is 12:21 right now. Almost like the last month and the last year. You guys get it? Almost. Keywords. Almost. The only thing that is, I think bothering is a witness. Like, can I get a witness? You know, whether the witness is for me or against me, it doesn't matter. As long as I have a witness. I honestly, I can do this all day long. Like nothing. Because the last thing anyone's going to do is feed on or off my energy. If anything, I'm going to feed off my own energy.